Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this tutorial video, we'll learn about how to log into Ardc Lawyer. So the first step is to open up your browser. After opening your browser, click on the URL and type in Ardc Lawyer. Now press enter. Now click on the first link. This is the home page of the Ardc website. You can see different options here like case research, education and resources, lawyer registration. To sign in, you can click on lawyer registration option. Now after opening this page, you can see the sign in option on the top navigation bar. Click on it. Now before proceeding, you must check the box below. By checking the box, you agree to conduct transaction by electronic means with the Ardc. So click on the box. Now you need your attorney registration number. You can find your attorney registration number on your ID card, or if you have forgotten your registration number, you can click on this link and recover it. Now type in your registration number. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now the final step is to click on the sign in. Following the simple step, now you will be able to log into the Ardc. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.